And I feel like the more and more we go through this life experience during this time, we're being told like to separate, and we really need to be doing the opposite. We need to be connecting.
Yeah, I agree with you when it comes to becoming together, because I think we are more similar than we are different. You know, for the good betterment of 4 years, we've been hearing what is the difference between a man and a woman, and what men do and what women do, and we kind of got that, but at the same time, we've never. I haven't heard the essential of togetherness, and what I can't do, you can do. And what you can't do, I can do. Hence why we need each other.